Do you remember show and tell back in like elementary school? That's kind of what today is for us with the race team. A bunch of the sponsor people from this weekend are gonna come out and check out all the race car stuff. And even though we're not racing, today is still going to be an exciting day. Cameron's wife, Angie, is in the semifinals in Super Comp. So she's doing really good. So we'll see how that goes. And then championships are going to be decided today, and we're gonna go up and watch. I'm really rooting for Justin Ashley. He's my guy, so we'll see how it goes. Of the team came up to watch for round 1 today, and we ran into Mrs. Frey. Are you ready for your race today?
I'm ready for my race. Ready.
She's in the semis. We're gonna go up and watch. And Cam, are you stressed out?
She did a great job.
She's a great driver. She's gonna go be awesome, like usual. Sitting up here, it is whoever's driving Worsham's car and Brittany, and we're all sitting over here talking about, do we want Justin Ashley or Brittany to win the championship? And what were you saying about that? You wanted Mr. Grubnick to win the championship with Brittany?
If there's anybody out there,
subtitles. He's not Irish.
Subtitles. Yeah, can't talk, so we got to give him subtitles. But I hope Justin wins. He's cool. He's a homie. Who would you like to win, Mr. Tyler?
I don't know. I want to see a good race. They'll take care of it.
That's fair.
Everybody's struggling to get down the track.
Yeah. Brittany advances. Krista just won round 1, so I came over and I'm gonna try and help them best as I can, because that's awesome. Good job, Krista. So the new first round winner with the awesome new paint job, how's it going?
It's going really good right now.
Yeah? So we've got Krista in the quarterfinals, we've got Angie in the semifinals. Today's gonna be a good day.
I think we should just have a Mcleod Girls Day at the World Finals. What do you think?
I agree with that, yeah. Are you ready, Miss Krista?
Yes, we are ready to do this again.
Same time, same place?
Yeah.
Go Krista. Oh, also I did some improvisations to my shirt. Now I'm representing Krista. Duct tape can literally fix anything. Dang it. So apparently we missed the semifinals for Super Comp, but Angie won. She is going to the... No, she was just in the semifinals. Angie is going to the finals. Let's go. I'm currently over here waiting for them to get back, so we can see her reaction live. You're going to the finals!
I'm going to the finals! Woo! Shut up! Oh my god!
Alright, we are up here in the lanes with Angie for the finals. Hopefully she does good. We've got a whole crowd here for Angie. Let's do this. They're such a good couple. Hashtag couple goals. So close. That was close. even though we're all disappointed Angie didn't win, she still did really awesome. It's awesome that she went to the finals at a national event, which is incredibly hard to do. So, good job, Mrs. Frey. You'll get there someday.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Max. Happy birthday to you. Cha 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 cha. So it's Monday morning, and I am just now filming my outro because we got back to the hotel and I fell asleep. I fell asleep with all my clothes on and one sock. So that was nice.
And your pit pass.
And my pit pass and all my stuff still on. So it was I was tired. Long weekend. Anyways, amazing job to Angie. She went to the finals and did awesome. Next time she's totally gonna win, and I would be willing to bet on that. And good job to Krista too. It was a day for the McLeod girls to go round. So good job. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things. Later tonight we're going to the banquet, so there will be a video about that. I just gotta start it when I'm not sleep deprived. And never give up.